I have worked with this company before, so I was really excited when they sent me a curved shower rod. This is actually in the nickel color and it is rust free as well, which is fantastic. So let's get out of the box and see what's inside. Here is everything in the package. I do like that they give you an instruction guide that walks you through how to install it, but you have the measurements from 20 to 79 inches. So depending on the space that you need, if you have a larger bathtub or larger shower, you can accommodate that nicely. And it does go into instructions on exactly how you can add the additional pieces if you need a larger, circumference or a larger radius size. So here you have the installation pieces on the edges. So these are the ones that are going to go into the wall to hold on to your bar here. And then you can see here that there is some hardware that is included. And then you have different options. So they have this one in the nickel, but you also have an option to get it in black if that's more in line with your design aesthetic. But you can see here that there's quite a few of these. So you can add and remove depending on the size of your specific shower that you're working with. These pieces connect together very easily. So each of them has one outside piece and one inside piece that looks like this. So you would simply take the outside piece and just slide it in and then just click it into place. As you can see here, this clicks nicely, and then that's it. So depending on how long you need it, you would just add more pieces as necessary. To install, you have these pieces. So you have one on each side. So you would simply just go ahead and pop that here. And then it does have some hardware. So you would just need to add the screws, as you can see here, and then you have some additional hardware options also. And you also have this rotating pivot option. So just say that you wanted it to be on the inside of the shower, you can flip it that way, or if you want it to be on the outside, you have the option to do the other way.